Welcome at forextrading.com. Right now we're going to look at the trade example at oil 4-hour chart, and we are talking about 9th of February. So we are talking about recent days coming out with buyers coming in at the market. So we are looking at the situation when oil, based on biggest trend daily chart that we are looking right now, is in growing uptrend. So we are talking about possibilities of entering the market long. We are going with the long position in the market. So looking at the 4-hour chart again, we see that we have dealt with some kind of retracement, some kind of bigger breadth at the market. And fundamental analysis could tell us that we experience right now some difficulties with some countries like Egypt, and we might see in the future some more dramatic oil price movement because of this situation. So we have some fundamentals that are telling us that we might see some stronger movement at the this instrument. So we've seen this beautiful retracement. Sellers came into the market, especially in this candle, and they seem to slow down. Then we saw an important support resistance level, which was broken. But you see, it was broken with this beautiful shadow. The body of those two candles stayed at this particular level above support resistance of this blue rectangle pattern. So market came back, and we've seen that buyers came into the market, and they were keep pushing this price. So at this point, we've seen very interesting time to enter the market, because the market broke out through some support resistance and test this level from the upside, came to this line and moved back to the upside. So when the market came back a little bit and moved aggressively higher, it was the best place for me to enter the market. So we are talking about here, or when I entered the market, actually we are talking about this particular level, and the market did follow through. So we were talking about looking at next support resistance, which was here, $102.10, and we are talking about another support resistance, which was 103.28. So based on behavior, on price behavior, I was looking at this action to take some kind of profit. So if market would test this line, I mean touch this line and moved back aggressively, I would probably close transaction somewhere around here with this small little profit. But market came back a little bit. It wasn't a dramatic accelerating move to the downside, so we had more probability of market going higher and higher. So I've kept this position in order to take some kind of bigger profit in the future. And market met another support resistance, and we've seen this beautiful shadow closed down, and the next candle started to accelerate to the downside. So I had to take a profit from this transaction based on those couple of candles behavior. So I've closed the profit just below this red line of 102.10 cents. So we are talking about specific market behavior that bring us some profit and minimizing the risk. So from this pattern double top, the risk started to be bigger and bigger, that market will come to the point when when I open the transaction and we would see a break-even point. The contract would be closed at zero profit. Right now we are at the stage of the market that we've seen little breath retracement again, and we see also this beautiful shadow 1 and 2, and market, it is more probable that market will move aggressively, strongly to the upside again and there will be also maybe some another market entrance. If the market is going to accelerate and move through this support resistance level to the upside, maybe test this line from the upside and from the above, test it and go to the higher levels like it happened here, we might see another oil entrance, because as far as the oil will move with the global fundamentals, I mean S&P contracts will grow very fast, indices, and we will experience some more disturbance in some of the countries. We might see oil prices pushing higher and higher, more or less aggressively. So I think that will be it for now, for today. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you to see some more interesting example of trades in the future. Thank you.